today I will be shooting my Delton AR-15 rifle. It is chambered in 5.56. I recently upgraded the furniture on it. If you'd like to see what upgrades I made to the AR, you can check those out here. And without further ado, let's get into it. For those of you who are saying, gosh, it sucks that he's left-handed, suck it up. Mag change! I think it's handling very nicely. The red dot sight, it's almost perfect. The iron sights and the red dot are lining up how I wanted it, how it co-witnessed. And for those of you who don't know, co-witness is the red dot and the iron sights lining up to where they're one and the same. And so yeah, let me fire a little bit more. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to keep seeing these videos, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.